Stoppers on either side of dish keep butter in place while cutting. Convenient tablespoon measurement markings. Clear lid rests on dish without sliding off during transport and is easy to remove. Dish designed to keep butter from slipping off tray and dirtying lid. Accommodates all short and long butter sticks. Our butter dish has stoppers on 3 sides to keep sticks from sliding around as you cut them. Accommodates longer, slimmer sticks, the dominant shape east of the Rocky Mountains, as well as shorter, stouter sticks, commonly found out west, with measurement markings for each. Top reviews from the United States. No inside mess. My husband is freakishly annoyed by butter dishes that have the insides of the lid smeared with butter. The design is great for avoiding that. We have always bought antique butter dishes in the past that had been designed to keep the lid from sliding. Those are hard to come by and this works well.